Welcome to digital presentation part 14. It is also image. In this session we will learn about formatting using the image toolbar, drawing graphic objects, line, shapes, grouping and ungrouping objects. So first we will learn about formatting using the image toolbar. When you click on the image, just a minute. When you click on an image, you will find some tools present here. This is the image toolbar. For example, here crop the picture is there. If I want to cut it, I can cut it. The picture has been cropped. Shadow. If I want a shadow, I can provide a shadow. Line. Line is basically the border of the picture. Fine dashed line of color red. Okay. You can find there is one border, red color border around the picture. This is transparency. If I make it say about 73% transparent, then you can see the image is about 73% transparent. It is not showing any solid color now. If I make it 3 back, it becomes opaque type. Color. If I 77% red, then it has got some redness. If I make it like this, I'm making it 31% reddish, so it will have some reddish color inside it. Blue brightness, you can increase the brightness. The image will be more brighter. The color will be contrast color. You may improve the contrast color. Like this you can work with the colors of the image. So with the help of the toolbar, image toolbar, you can work. If it is not visible, you can make it visible from the view menu, view toolbars, and then you can select picture. Then your picture toolbar or image toolbar will be visible. Next we come to drawing graphic objects, line, shapes. Now if you want to draw, here you can see some tools are present. This is the line tool. You can select it and with the help of mouse you can draw a line. Again I am selecting it and drawing one more line. So with the help of line tool you can draw the line. Then shapes, you can see this is rectangle shape. You can click on this and draw a rectangle. Oval shape, you can click on ellipse or oval shape and then press the mouse button, drag the mouse button. Just a minute, it is locked. You can draw the shape. When you right click on it, you can control its properties. to area, you can select different properties: shadow, transparency, colors. Like this. Basic shapes, there are many shapes. This is a triangle, right triangle. You can draw it. Folded corner. So you can get many shapes from here, basic shapes. There are others also which you can use: block, arrows, symbol shapes, callouts, stars. Star. So this is how you can draw a shape in your PowerPoint presentation. Grouping and ungrouping objects. Normally the objects are ungrouped, they work independently, but if you want to work with them together as a collectively, if you want to work collectively with them, then you need to create a group. So in order to create a group, first select one image, press the shift key, click on the second image and click on the third image, and then right click and click on group. So now it forms a group. If you may move it, they will move, all the three objects will move together, they will not be independent. So you can make any settings which is common for these objects all together. You don't have to make it individually in a different manner. And if you want to ungroup it, then right click on it and ungroup it. Then click on a particular image. Now they can be selected individually and they are not working as group, they have been ungrouped. Now they can be moved independently, or any setting can be done independently over them. So this was the grouping and ungrouping objects. Hope you understood what was being demonstrated in this session, and you will be able to apply it in your PowerPoint presentations. Wish you good luck. Thank you.